Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana, but my family and friends call me Di. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare my air fry crispy chicken wings. So I use Slap Your Mama seasoning, paprika, pepper, and onion powder. You can choose whatever your taste buds love. So with that being said, I want to give a shout out to my niece Shanisha and a shout out to my niece Kendall Grace, aka KG. Thank you, and let's get into it. Okay, so my chicken already been washed, and I wash it in vinegar and water and baking soda. Okay, so first things first, I always preheat mine. So here I'm gonna hit start, and I'm gonna hit temp, and I'm gonna preheat it to 400. And so this one, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do the timer, and I'm gonna preheat this one to 400 also. Stay crispy, just like Popeye's chicken. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, I don't mind you talking about me. Just don't forget to mention the good things. Thank you and have a blessed day.